Welcome to this MATLAB tutorial. If you are new to MATLAB and want to learn how to create a simple 2D plots, this video is for you. Whether you are a student, an engineer, or a researcher, understanding how to visualize data is very essential. In this tutorial, I will walk you through step by step on how to create, customize, and enhance your MATLAB plot with ease. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start by plotting a simple function in MATLAB. We will use the plot function to visualize a sine wave. So we are going to define x values, that x is equals to 0, and we are choosing a step size of 0.1 to 10. This will generate values from 0 to 10 with step size 0.1. Next, we are going to define y values. That is basically generate from sine function. So y is equals to sine of x. Next, we are going to plot our function. And we define figure. So it will open a new figure window. Then we are going to plot. That is a very simple 3D plot x versus y. So plot y is equals to sine of x. Okay, let's save it and run it. This is the most basic plot you can create in MATLAB, but there is no title, there is no x values, there is no y values, there is no legends. So let's enhance it by adding labels, a title, and a grid. So a plain graph doesn't look very professional. So let's improve it by adding label and few other built-in commands. So we are going to add label and title. So for that, I'm using x label, that is built-in function, and we wrote in inverted commas that x-axis, that should be simply x-axis, and this is how. Okay, then we have y label, and for the y label we call it y-axis. In between inverted commas, you can choose any statement that you want to display on a graph at the place of x-axis and at the place of y-axis. Next, we have to define the title of the graph. So we may write sine wave. That is basically the title of the plot. Then we add few more commands, that is grids, just adding grid. So we write grid on. Okay, then we change our this plot function by adding line properties. So we define the style and the color. So we choose color blue and the style is lines, dotted lines. And then we define the line width. So I write line width. We have two ways to write line width. Either you use all the small letters or keep your L capital and keep your width capital, or you use just all small, both works. So I choose line width is equals to 2. So this will plot blue dashed line and thickness would be 2. So if we run it, yes. So now we have a much clearer and more readable graph. We have the title with the sine wave, we have the xy axis, and that is the y axis. So that's how. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more MATLAB tutorials and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. So have you any questions or topic you want to cover? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.